Suppose we are given the following system of equations. 2 times a squared plus 1 equals 3 times b squared plus 1 equals 4 times c squared plus 1. Also, ab plus bc plus ca equals 1. We are to find the values of a, b, and c. Let the common value of all three expressions be u. That gives us a squared plus 1 equals u over 2. B squared plus 1 equals u over 3. And c squared plus 1 equals u over 4. So a squared is u over 2 minus 1. B squared is u over 3 minus 1. And c squared is u over 4 minus 1. From the second equation, ab plus bc plus ca equals 1, we use identity expansion. A plus b times a plus c equals u over 2. B plus c times b plus a equals u over 3. And c plus a times c plus b equals u over 4. From these, we deduce a plus b is the square root of 2u over 3. B plus c is the square root of u over 6. And c plus a is the square root of 3u over 8. Now substitute the expressions for a plus b, b plus c, and c plus a into the equation ab plus bc plus ca equals 1. After simplifying, we get a single equation in terms of u. Solving this gives u equals 96 over 23. Now substitute u equals 96 over 23 into the earlier expressions. A plus b equals 8 over the square root of 23. B plus c equals 4 over the square root of 23. And c plus a equals 6 over the square root 23. To find a, take 1/2 of a plus b plus c plus a minus b plus c. This simplifies to a equals 5 over square root of 23. Similarly, b equals 3 over square root of 23, and c equals 1 over square root of 23. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this solution, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.